I'm going to go over 8 ways you can make money online in 2023. So as long as you approach things with commitment and consistency and have that right mindset, push through that internal and external adversity, you'll be one step closer to financial freedom. Moneymaker number 1, selling stuff online. There's many marketplace apps and websites that allow you to sell stuff and buy stuff online. You can control the margins and filter it by price points you are looking for, as well as price points that things have recently sold at to help better narrow down the suggestions. Moneymaker number 2, drop shipping. I like to break drop shipping down into marketing and promoting. First off, you need a supplier where you can get these goods for a low price, and then you promote this, you market this to your audience or your following, and then whenever they send in a purchase request, you go ahead and you fill in their information with the supplier and have it shipped directly to them while keeping the difference. There's multiple things to consider with drop shipping though. Some of these things include proper scaling. You don't know how much volume you're going to get for purchase requests, so you won't know exactly how much you're going to need on hand to fill these requests, as well as other risk factors such as supplier errors that may happen, or maybe down the road if your drop shipping business keeps growing, you will think of outsourcing some of the key components to other individuals. Moneymaker number 3, freelancing. Freelancing is a type of self-employment. Instead of being employed by a company, freelancers usually work alone. They're self-employed, and based off a project basis or a contract, they deliver their services or their goods to fulfill certain requirements of the customer. Just a few of these things: if you're good at writing papers, if you're good at revising papers, if you have a coding background, if you're good at optimizing different things like websites, it's something to consider for some money. Moneymaker number 4, affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, you're essentially promoting another service or a product of a separate retailer. Through an affiliate link, you are earning a commission if people purchase a specific product or item that you are marketing to them. So if there's a certain product that is very trendy and you want to become an affiliate of that product, you can have usually a brief review is what people will do. They'll give a review of the product with an affiliate link saying, click here to purchase it through Amazon, click here to purchase it through eBay or Walmart or what have you. And when they click that link, it fills in with your affiliate ID, and then you will earn a commission. Moneymaker number 5, being a content creator. Being a content creator kind of ties in a lot of the other stuff. You will get money based off the platform for views, subscribers, affiliate marketing, and even self-promoting your merch across certain platforms. Moneymaker number 6, creating and selling online courses. There's a mantra to never do what you're good at for free. If you're very successful at something, then you should reap the benefits where you can. People create courses and workshops all the time to help promote and teach certain skills that they have to others, while also getting some financial gain, creating that win-win situation. Moneymaker number 7, selling photos, videos, and music. This kind of goes back to not doing what you're good at for free. Whether you're good at making beats, stock photos, videos, bumpers, intros, different templates, this is something that you should do for a price. In a world of instant gratification, many people front convenience fees for stuff as simple as templates and intros and stuff like that they could just reuse over time without having to put in that extra work, because time is money. Moneymaker number 8, taking surveys. This is probably the simplest one of all these, however it's the least paying. Companies oftentimes use these surveys to conduct marketing research on specific services as well as products that they provide. The average per hour that I've seen is somewhere between 50 cents and $2, so it's really not much, but it's still something if you are hurting for money. We are all on our own path and journey. We're all trying to go from rags to riches. We oftentimes wonder if what we're doing is really worth it. Again, battling through that mentality of instant gratification that's been instilled in us in this modern world, pushing through using that consistency and that commitment when we don't see the results we're looking for immediately. Times are changing, and we live in a modern society that's getting more virtual by the day. With that being said, don't be afraid to take a leap of faith. Go ahead and take that first step towards your financial freedom. Take that leap of faith. It doesn't hurt. And if you have bad money habits, like most of us do, and you haven't checked out my last video, make sure you do so.